objective questions and solutions on Arihant book. First, we discuss in questions in our theory of equations. First question, this is first question. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equations. One equation is given, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here given that given equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Alpha, beta are the roots. Alpha, beta are the roots. Then when we can write about sum of the roots. Sum equal to sum of the roots mean alpha plus beta equal to formula minus b by a. Product of the roots. Product of the roots equal to product means alpha into beta is equal c by a. This is the information about the equation and its roots. Here he also give us beta less than alpha less than 0. Here it is given that beta value is less than alpha value less than 0. That means we observe in this situation, this is real number line. If this is real number line, beta value is less than alpha, alpha value is less than 0. Beta less than, if it is minus 2, it is minus 1, it is 0. This is less than minus 1 less than 0. So these values are in this way. Okay, beta less than alpha less than 0. Here given roots we can determine the quadratic equation whose roots are mod alpha mod beta. Mod alpha mod beta. Given roots. What are given roots? Mod alpha, one is mod alpha and another one is mod beta. We can write sum of these values, sum of these roots equal to mod alpha plus mod beta. Okay, here mod alpha, what is mod alpha? Mod alpha equal to alpha if alpha greater than 0, minus alpha if alpha less than 0. Here alpha, we can observe that alpha is less than 0, left hand side of 0. Alpha is left hand side of 0. So alpha is less than 0. Minus 1 is less than 0. So this value is less than 0. So mod alpha can be taken as minus alpha. In this way, mod beta is also write it in this way. beta, mod beta equal to beta. If beta greater than 0, if beta greater than 0, mod beta value can be equal to beta minus beta if beta less than 0. Okay, mod beta by the mod beta definition, mod beta equal to minus beta if beta less than 0. Here minus 2, for example minus 2, the minus 2 and 0, what is the greatest value? Minus 2 is less than 0. Minus what is here? Beta less than 0. So in this case we can observe that beta less than 0. Here mod beta can be taken as minus beta, that is equal minus of alpha plus beta. It can be taken as minus of alpha plus beta. Also we know that above we can write alpha plus beta equal to minus of alpha. What is the alpha plus beta value? Minus b by a. Minus into minus plus, that can be written as b by a. Here b by a is positive value. B by a is positive value. Why? Mod alpha positive, mod beta is also positive. Here this is mod alpha plus this is mod beta. Mod alpha positive, mod beta positive. Two positive values is also positive, here greater than 0. So b by a is also positive. That can be written as modulus of b by a. Modulus of b by a. Next, we can write the product of roots. We can write, analyze the product of roots. Product of roots is equal to mod alpha into mod beta. Mod alpha into mod beta can be written in this way. Mod alpha beta equal to alpha beta. What is the alpha beta? Here alpha beta equal to c by a. C by a. Mod in between modulus we can write c by a. Okay, we can analyze we determine the quadratic equation whose roots are we can write in this way. Okay, we can determine the quadratic equation whose roots are mod alpha comma mod beta is equation of the form x square minus sum of the roots into x. Sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to 0. This is the formula of quadratic equation whose roots are alpha beta. This can be written as alpha mod alpha. Here roots are mod alpha and mod beta. Okay, x square minus Here we can write sum of roots means mod alpha plus mod beta. Sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots mod alpha into mod beta equal to 0. Here x square minus mod alpha plus mod beta equal to modulus of b by a into x plus mod c by a is equal to 0. Here x square minus mod b by mod a into x plus mod c by mod a equal to 0. Mod a LCM, that can be written as mod a x square minus mod b x plus mod c equal to 0. Mod a after equal to this can be 0. So required equation is mod a into x square mod b into x plus mod c equal to 0. Options, we observe the options. If we observe the options, option C is correct. We can observe we go to the back side options. We go back options. Minus mod is a x square mod a into x square mod b into x plus mod c equal to 0. Option C is correct. Next we can go to the another question. If we can go to the another question, second question. What is the second question? Second question. In a triangle PQR angle R equal to pi by 2 if tan p by 2 and tan q by 2 are the roots of the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a not equal to 0. Then options. Option A plus b equal to c. Option B plus c equal to 0. Option C a plus c equal to b. Option D b is equal to c. Here given that in a triangle PQR, we can observe that angle R equal to pi by 2. 90 degrees is at R. Here one vertex R is 90 degrees. Here R is vertex. Here 90 degrees. R equal to pi by 2. Another vertices are, one vertex is P another vertex is Q. We know that sum of angles equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles means angle P. Here triangle is PQR. Angle P, angle Q, angle R is equal to 180 degrees. What is 180 means pi. Here angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to pi by 2 is equal to pi. Angle P plus angle Q equal to plus pi by 2. Go to another side after equal to pi minus pi by 2. Pi minus pi by 2 means 180 minus 90 degrees is equal to pi by 2. So angle P plus angle Q equal to pi by 2. Here we notice that here angles of P by 2, the another angle is Q by 2. We divide with 2 on both sides. P plus Q by 2 equal to pi by 2 into 2, 4. Here it can be divided into P by 2 plus Q by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Here the trigonometric angle is tan. Here is also tan. We can apply tan on both sides. We can apply tan on both sides. Here tan pi by 4, it is pi by 4. It is pi by 4. Take tan on both sides. Take tan on both sides. On both sides. Here we apply tan. Tan of P by 2 plus Q by 2 is equal to tan pi by 4. Here tan of A plus B formula. What is tan of A plus B formula? Tan of A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, here in the place of A there is P by 2, in the place of B there is Q by 2. We can write it as tan P by 2 tan A plus tan B what? Q by 2 divided by 1 minus tan of P by 2 into tan P by 2 into tan of Q by 2 is equal tan pi by 4 value equal to 1. Therefore, I think here the given equation, this is first equation. We gave it first equation. We know that the roots are the equation. We know that given that tan pi by 2, tan P by 2 and tan Q by 2 are roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here the sum of the roots is equal to sum. What is the sum? Tan P by 2 plus tan Q by 2. Sum of the roots is equal minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Here minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Also product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to tan p by 2 into tan q by 2. Product of the roots equal to c by a. We know about tan p by 2 plus tan q by 2. 1 minus tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 equal to c by a. Here 1 becomes, we substitute these values in 1. Numerator becomes minus b by a 1 by 1 minus tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 equal to c by a equal to 1. That implies this relation can becomes minus b by a. Here we can write minus b by a whole by a, LCM a, here a minus c equal to 1. A cancel out, minus b by a minus c equal to 1, minus b equal to a minus c. Okay, here minus b equal to a minus c. Okay, a minus b becomes plus b, minus c in this side it becomes c. We can write a plus b equal to c. What is the relation in between a, b, c? A plus b equal to c. A plus b equal to c. Okay, in options a plus b equal to c, a is correct answer. What is the relation between a, b, c? Is a plus b equal to c. Another question, another question also we can discuss. This is second question. Another question, third roots of the equation. Third question is roots of the equation. Roots of the equation x square minus root 5x minus 19 equal to 0. Or here options are a real, equal and rational. B, second option, option B is real, unequal and rational. Third option is real, unequal and irrational. Fourth option is complex numbers. We can observe, we know that in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, in equation we know that if a, b, c belongs to R, if A, B, C belong to rational numbers. A, B, C belongs to rational numbers. This is rational. Rational numbers. If A, B, C are rational numbers, if alpha, beta are the roots, alpha, beta are roots, alpha, beta are the roots, alpha, beta are the roots, are distinct roots. Here distinct roots. Delta is a perfect square. Delta is a perfect square. Perfect square. Here A, B, C denotes, we observe in this point, A, B, C belongs to rational numbers, but in the given equation x square minus root 5x minus 19 equal to 0, x square quotient 1 rational number, we know that rational number, root 5 irrational, root 5 is not rational, irrational number, minus 19 rational number, so it cannot follow this rule. Why? A, B, C are not rational numbers. Here root 5 is irrational number. That's why we cannot follow this way. Actually we can determine delta. If we determine delta, b square minus delta means b square minus 4ac. b square means root 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 19, 25 plus 25, root 5 whole square means, root 5 whole square equal to 5 plus 25 plus 76. It is not correct. Okay. Root 5 whole square means root 5 whole square means root 5 square, root 5 के whole square. If root 5 whole square equal to, if root 5 whole square equal to root 5 whole square, square root to cancel, 5 plus 76, it is 81. But it is, and these are not rational numbers. It satisfies. This is a square. This is square. But root 5 is not an rational number. Root 5 is not an rational number. If A, B, C are all rational numbers, it can be satisfies. Delta equal to 81. That's why alpha, beta are distinct roots, distinct rational numbers. Distinct here, distinct rational numbers. These are also rational numbers. These are also distinct rational numbers if delta is a perfect square. So we cannot tell about this. Why root 5 is not an rational numbers. here A, B, C are all rational numbers, but in this case 1 rational number, root 5 is not rational number, minus 19 rational number, so it cannot be satisfied. So roots are rational or not correct. 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 Are not correct. Correct. Okay, next we can observe the equation. If we correct x square, we can define the roots of this equation, root 5 x minus 19 equal to 0. If we determine the roots of this equation, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus root 5, c equal to minus 19. Minus into minus plus root 5 plus or minus square root of b square means 5 minus 4 into a into c minus 19, that equal to divided by 2 into 1, that equal to root 5 plus or minus 5 plus 76 by 2, that is equal to root 5 plus or minus root 81. Root 81 means 9, that equal to root 5 plus or minus 9 by 2. So roots are unequal. One root is plus, one root is negative. So different. Root 5 by 9 by 2, root 5 by plus 9 by 2 comma root 5 minus 9 by 2. Different, unequal, and also irrational. Different, unequal and irrational. And also in real numbers there is irrational numbers also. So these are irrational numbers. Options, observe the options. Real, here the rational, those are not rational. Those are not rational. So irrational correct, unequal correct. If that is irrational, that is also real. So answer is C. So roots are real, unequal and irrational. Third option is correct. So therefore roots are, therefore answer is, these are irrational numbers. These are irrational numbers. Therefore the roots are real, though the roots are real, unequal and irrational. Okay, thank you.